Welcome to today's What Will Move the Market show. I'm your host Prem. It's Friday, September 19th, 2025, and here is everything you need to know as the markets open for today. Overnight on Wall Street, the major indexes continued their record-breaking run. The Dow Jones added 308 points, up by 0.7%. The S&P 500 rose 31 points, or 0.5%, while the Nasdaq surged 329 points, a gain of 1.5%. The market rally was powered by strong tech stocks, especially after Nvidia announced a $5 billion investment and partnership with Intel, sending Intel's shares soaring the most since 1987. The Federal Reserve's recent quarter-point rate cut and signals of possibly more cuts ahead also fueled optimism. Looking at Indian ADRs last night, Infosys dipped slightly by about 0.5%. Other ADRs have been flat. These movements hint that Indian investors may take a cautiously optimistic stance amid global macro improvements and Fed easing. In Asia this morning, major markets are mixed, but mostly positive. Japan's Nikkei is up about 1.2% to fresh record highs, while South Korea's Kospi is flat. Hong Kong's Hang Seng and Shanghai Composite are down slightly by about 1 to 1.5%, reflecting some China-related headwinds. The Gift Nifty is trading just below its previous close at 25,461, down about 0.25%, suggesting a slightly cautious start for India's open. Investors will watch the Bank of Japan's policy announcement today closely for any surprises. On the global news front, the key theme remains the Federal Reserve's monetary easing and its impact worldwide. The Fed's rate cut has calmed concerns over inflation and lifted risk sentiment, while the ongoing geopolitical tensions remain stable without major new developments today. Commodity markets are watching closely as OPEC Plus signaled a moderate increase in crude oil output from October, hinting at a potential supply increase. Meanwhile, gold continues its impressive rally, trading above $3,600 an ounce, near historic highs, supported by expectations of further Fed cuts. Back home in India, the market sentiment is upbeat after the recent global cues. The benchmarks touched their highest levels in 10 weeks Thursday, led by IT and pharma stocks. Foreign institutional investors were net sellers around 366 crore rupees, but domestic institutions absorbed the selling with a 3,300 crore net buy. From a technical standpoint, the Nifty's immediate support is seen near 25,080, with resistance around 25,320. The Bank Nifty has support close to 54,800, with resistance expected near 56,000. Watch for momentum shifts around these levels as traders position for possible volatility. Technical analysts note bullish signals continue, but caution is advised given the market's rapid rally. In commodities, crude oil prices edged higher today with Brent around $67.48 a barrel and WTI near $63.60. Copper futures remain steady, with strong support near 900 rupees per kilogram. Gold remains in focus for its sustained upward trend, supported by macroeconomic factors. Silver and other base metals showed little significant change in early trade. For traders, today looks like a day to lean into the positive momentum from global easing, but remain vigilant for volatile moves near key technical levels. Watch the IT and auto sectors closely for actionable triggers as global tech and Tata Motors stocks have been moving in tandem with overnight news. It's prudent to follow disciplined risk management given the fast pace of gains. That's the wrap for this morning's update. Stay tuned for the evening wrap and send in your questions.